to my channel. My name is Karl Sandoval. I'm a custom guitar builder. What I thought we would do in this video is continue on with our star guitar build. And basically we've been, the point where we're at is where we're working on getting the headstock modified. As you can see, I've already glued on a piece of wood here, which will accommodate for this part of the headstock. And then I need to glue a piece for this part here, which will go approximately right there. I'll show that in a minute. But first I wanted to indicate how I set the headstock. Basically, it's an alignment procedure. And I had said it before, but I'll do it again. This C-clamp will probably be in the way a little bit, but just you'll get the idea. So basically what I do is, let's move this up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I take a string. Tell you what I'll do. I'll undo this C-clamp. It's going to be in the way. So basically what I do is I take a string and I run it across about maybe a little more than an eighth of an inch from the edge of the fingerboard, and I set my template, which has the tuner holes in it, so the string runs on the top part of the, or let's say the bottom part of the tuner peg here and here. That's both E strings. Now I've already done this, so I've got these marks in there, but just to expedite things, I had already marked the places. So based on what I'm looking, which is straight down like this, I can see that the string runs at the bottom part of the tuner post. And I'm about a little more than an eighth of an inch off the edge. And I'll do it again on this opposite side, and I'll look down, and sure enough, there I am right at the bottom part of the post. And just align your template accordingly. And you can see that I'm going to need some wood here and here. And I know this is kind of an overkill, but it doesn't matter. You'll see when we get done here what we're going to be doing. So we'll take this off, and like I say, we put glue. I mean, this is straightforward gluing a block. It's just flat edge to flat edge with wood glue. I put the glue on there and I kind of mushed it back and forth and got the excess glue out, and then I clamped it like this. I mean, this is basic woodworking, which by now you should already know how to do this. If not, look up gluing processes on any video that's available on the internet. So I got my C-clamp there. It's not going to take much pressure to hold that. We're going to actually be cutting off a lot of this, but I use a regular Titebond glue. So we're going to go ahead and glue this piece on. Got a little bit of an uneven spot right there, but that's okay. I think we're probably going to end up cutting that off. So I'll put a little glue on here. And like I say, just kind of mush it in place. Make sure that there's glue on all surface area. And I'm going to use this, the end here as a guideline. Let's elevate this a little bit. There we go. Let's kind of move this back and forth. I mean, there's probably so many different ways you can do this, but I'm just showing you the way that works for me. It's not the only way, by all means. If there's something that you can do better, go for it. Because that basically, you start creating your own identity and concepts when you do that. And I'm all for that. My way is not the only way. It is just one way. And through the years, it has worked for me. I've built many, many custom guitars for people around the world, major artists. And like I say, on the original one, I kind of elevate this block. It's not flush here with this surface, but I've got so much wood there to work with that I can afford to do that. Just got to make sure this thing gets on pretty tight. There, now we got both pieces on. And this will get us ready for our next step, which would be cutting out the periphery. Then we'll be drilling the tuner holes and move on from there. All right, that's going to end this video. If you're not a subscriber, please by all means subscribe. I also have a Patreon page, which is a subscription page. It helps fund my videos and other aspects of my business. So please subscribe to that on my Patreon channel. I'll leave links at the bottom of this video. Also, you can find a lot of photographs and custom guitar building tips. That would be Karl Sandoval Custom Guitar Building Tips on my Instagram page, as well as Facebook, and I also have a website. So stay tuned for more videos. I really appreciate you viewing. If you're a newcomer, thank you, and I'm so grateful. You guys have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.